This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by William Cannon. Start 2020 right. Beautiful fully furnished turnkey home within 15 minutes to Disney World. Home features a large privacy fenced 1/4 acre lot great for outdoor activities. Beautiful spacious floor plan with nice natural lighting. Enjoy the pool and outdoor entertainment area. Includes dishwasher, washer, dryer, microwave, range, refrigerator. Home also includes pool and lawn maintenance, so it is worry-free. Pet negotiable. 7-month minimum lease. Our owner will consider short-term, but price will increase and is negotiable. All ceramic tile and oak carpet. Available immediately. This is a hard-to-find property. Professionally managed. Hurry, this one will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cannon at 954-693-0100.